welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be styling a tiered tray, which I love to do. It's going to be in my most favorite color combination, black and white, and it's going to be fall themed. So I'm going to show you, before I get to the styling of the tray, how I take a few of these red leaf-shaped plates and transform them into black and white for this tray. So if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. I always welcome your respectful comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. So now let's get to my tray. This video is part of a closed collaboration that I'm so happy to be doing with these lovely ladies, Cheryl of I Style My Style and Anne of Glam Designs by Anne. I reached out to Cheryl and Anne in the summer asking if they would be interested in doing a black and white decor collab for summer. And we all enjoyed it so much that we decided to do this seasonally. And I reached out to these ladies in particular because they both decorate in black and white so beautifully. They are the queens of black and white decor. So of course, I'm going to reach out to them and ask if they want to do a black and white collab. I'm really happy to be doing this with them. I hope that you will check out their videos by checking out the playlist that's linked in my description box. Thanks so much. So here we are outside in my backyard. I've taken 3 of my red leaf-shaped plates that I am going to give a very good coating of black spray paint to. And so I'm ensuring that each one gets a nice good coating for good coverage. I did realize that the sides, or sort of the rim around the plates, were kind of showing through. The red was coming through, so I decided that they must get a coat of black paint on the back as well, and making sure that the rims and edges are covered. That way there's no indication whatsoever that these plates were ever red, although I do love my red maple leaves. And I'm just continuing on to paint. I love this black paint. What a gorgeous deep coverage. So once they're all dried, I take them inside and I'm going to paint the veins in the leaves with white acrylic paint. I did not, unfortunately, really have the greatest paintbrush for this. And also, unfortunately, there was no time to sort of run out and buy a new one. So as I often do, I sort of make do with what I have. And I just continue on painting with this little brush that I have, making sure to go over all the veining. I do like sort of the imperfect look of this. I do all 3 of them the same way, and none of them have sort of perfect lines, and I quite like that. I think they looked really pretty, and I think maybe these can also be used for Halloween. So here we go. Here's all 3 painted in black and white. So wait to see how I incorporate these in my 3-tiered tray. Starting on our top tier, we have one of our newly transformed plates. And then beside that, our little gingham check pattern, or our buffalo check patterned pumpkin. That's our top tier. And then diagonal to this plate is another one of the plates that I made. At the back there, in front of it, I've placed this little black and white striped votive holder, a black sparkly pumpkin. Now I cheated a little bit. You can probably see that there's a bit of orange sparkle in there, and that's because these are actually Halloween pumpkins. So I used that because I thought it looked really cute in this particular display. Then I put down this black and white checkered napkin, and that's just hanging off of the tray there, or off of the tier. And then this cute little white pumpkin. Then just behind that white pumpkin is this really pretty sparkly black pumpkin. Also a piece I normally use for Halloween, but I do and did use it last year for fall when I did this really elegant black display. And I think it works nicely here as well. And behind that, I've placed this really nice black and white buffalo check charger. Let me try to get it just a bit sharper and clearer. There we go. And that's tier number 1 and tier number 2. Now again, we're going to go diagonal for our third tier or bottom tier, and we're going to place our final plate, leaf plate. In front of that, this really cute white and black polka dotted cup filled with these black and white little jewels, some more buffalo check, just a piece of ribbon that I tied and finished the ends here. I dovetailed them so that it looked pretty. Then we move over. I have another one of those black sort of Halloween pumpkins, another one behind that, and another one here. It's a bit hard to see because they're all black, but those 3 are just sitting right on the tier. A little black and white chevron patterned pumpkin in the back there. That's right beside our black and white polka dot cup. You can see that the color of this cup is the opposite of this one here. And then our saucer at the back there. And all of this is placed on this pretty black and white tea towel that I've also placed just coming off of the tier. And that there is our full black and white fall tiered tray.